One of our most popular products for physiotherapists and podiatrists is the DOLA roller. The DOLA roller can be used for home-based rehabilitation and physical therapy programs for common lower limb conditions and presentations. With reduced face-to-face consultations and an increase in home-based exercise programs, the DOLA mini roller can be a great addition to your treatment plan. Included with each roller is an exercise prescription pad with pictures of commonly prescribed exercises. Popular exercises include foot exercises for mobilisation, strengthening of intrinsic muscles, stretching, massage, and specialty exercises for chronic plantar heel pain and plantar fasciitis. Leg exercises include stretching, massage, and trigger point therapy. The DOLA mini roller is the perfect recovery and rehabilitation tool to target the feet and legs. The perfect size for travel, use the DOLA mini roller at work, home, in the gym, or at training. The DOLA roller is available for purchase by health practitioners for their patients through the shop at dolaorthotics.com.